So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add filters to pictures here on Canva using a Canva desktop. So once Canva is opened up, what I want you to do is to, it goes without saying, add a picture to your design. So for this example, I'll press on elements right here. I'll go to search elements and I'll search up a photo right here. I'll just press on photos right here of a trending photo. So how about this photo right here? A couple people holding a pizza. Just like that, this is my wonderful photo. Now, if I wanted to add a filter, the simplest way to do it is to press on the photo right here, go to edit in the top left right here, this bar right above. Once that is done, it opens up another screen right here where it says filters. Press on see all, and you can add a bunch of different filters to your design. So you can just scroll down a bunch of different options at your disposal. But if you wanted to do, the fresco filter, you can change the intensity more or less. Belvedere. If you wanted to make it more like this one, maybe more of like a black and white, whatever the case may be right here, a bunch of different options. They are right in front of you. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to add filters to pictures here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.